Yes friends, there you go, the Indian granite called Himalayan Blue. This is in small slabs and it is been called as Himalayan Blue. You can see this is natural pattern, and this sizes will be around 90 centimeter by 300 centimeter. You can see the pattern, and it is being, see the polish, the quality of the polish is very good. It is being polished by automatic machine which is there next here. You can see it is being polished by automatic machine, so the quality of the polish is very good. That you can see the reflection. See, it's beautiful material. It is in 90 centimeter in height and around 300 centimeter in length, and also you can see the thickness of this is around 1.8 centimeter, 1.8 centimeter plus. This is how the material is, and it is called as Himalayan Blue. I hope you like this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.